Is it good idea to start YouTube in 2025? Come, let me explain you. तो ये कहानी स्टार्ट होती है 2014 से। 2014 की बात है। मेरा एक दोस्त था जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा एम्बिशियस था। ही वॉन्टेड टू बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट एंड ही वॉज वेरी स्टूडियस एज वेल। ही ऑलवेज यूज टू स्टडी डे नाइट। वो पढ़ाई करता था। उसका सिर्फ एक ही एम था, टू बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट। इन दैट प्रोसेस ऑफ स्टडिंग कंटिन्यूसली डे इन डे आउट, मैं ब्रेक्स के लिए यूट्यूब वीडियोस देखना स्टार्ट किया। फिर क्या हुआ, 2014 में ही गॉट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड टू यूट्यूबर्स लाइक मुंबईकर निखिल, ऑगी एफ, द एवरीडे इंडिया, जो अपने बाइक के वीडियोस डालते थे। बीइंग अ बॉय, उसको बाइक में बहुत ही इंटरेस्ट था। एंड देन फ्रॉम देयर ही गॉट अनदर ड्रीम ऑफ राइडिंग बाइक लाइक दे डू। वो दोनों ड्रीम साथ में परस्यू नहीं कर सकता था बिकॉज ही वॉज फ्रॉम मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, जहाँ पे पैसे कमाना वॉज प्राइमरी गोल। सो उसका यूट्यूबर बनने का ड्रीम और बाइक चलाने का ड्रीम फेड होता गया एंड उसके चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट बनने का ड्रीम इंक्रीज होता गया। उसने दिन रात पढ़ाई करी। 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017 ऐसे करते करते ईयर आफ्टर ईयर निकलते गए। ही स्टार्टेड गेटिंग सक्सेस एंड इन 2019 ही बिकेम चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट। जहाँ उसने अपने चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट ड्रीम को पूरा किया, वहीं वो जिन यूट्यूबर्स को देखता था वो भी उनके एक ड्रीम पूरे करते जा रहे थे। एंड देन इट हिट हिम इन 2020 when he got his first job. He thought now is the time when I can start my own YouTube channel and I can start bike riding as well. But luck ने उसका साथ नहीं दिया एंड मार्च 2020 में नेशन वाइड लॉकडाउन्स लग गए एंड एवरीवन नोज कोरोना। वो 2 साल कोई कैसे भूल सकता है। एंड देन 2020 ऐसे ही चला गया, 2021 ऐसे ही चला गया। 2022 when everything started getting open again, then he thought of starting his own YouTube channel. But at the same time वो कॉर्पोरेट की सीढ़ियाँ भी चढ़ रहा था and then corporate made it very difficult for him to travel and start his YouTube channel. 2023 was the time when he decided कि अभी कुछ भी हो मैं अब मेरा YouTube चैनल चालू करके ही रहूँगा। एंड उसने स्टार्ट किया विदाउट थिंकिंग कि वो बाइक रिलेटेड वीडियोस बना पाएगा या ट्रैवल कर पाएगा या नहीं। He just started off. And what next? He started putting everything that he used to do. बाइक रिलेटेड वीडियोस, कहीं पे भी घूमना तो उसके वीडियोस डालना एंड वो कुछ भी करता था वो उसके वीडियोस डालता था। One day when he was traveling from Mumbai to Uttar Pradesh in his car, he recorded the entire journey and उसने वो भी YouTube पे अपलोड किया। What next? He got 30,000 views on that video, on one video, with a subscriber less than 300. So imagine the potential. That is when he decided to take his YouTube journey seriously. And then he started posting again and again. But again, he was standing at a route जहाँ से दो रास्ते जा रहे थे and उसको एक choose करना था. Because of his responsibilities, he chose the path of corporate life over YouTube. So started putting his time, building his career in a YouTube. What happened? His YouTube views started falling. Fast forward 2025, he is again at the path where he wants to decide whether he wants to do YouTube or he wants to continue his corporate journey. That friend is nothing but me. It is story of Bhavesh Tiwari, which is a chartered accountant by profession. I have 7 years of professional experience and I also do YouTube. The thing is, we always think of starting something. We always want to pursue our dreams, which we once saw. That dream I saw in 2014. It's been 11 years. I focused on chartered accountancy. I cleared chartered accountancy. I focused on my career. I think I'm doing good at my career. But what about YouTube? That was a dream and that is still a distant dream. Now I have decided to focus on YouTube in 2025 and I'll make it. The one thing that you should know is अगर तुमको कुछ भी स्टार्ट करना है, अगर तुम कुछ भी करना चाहते हो, just start putting in time there. अगर तुमको YouTube करना है, YouTube में टाइम देना चालू करो. Not to watch video, but to create video. Right? The moment you'll start creating videos, you'll start getting views. Those views will definitely motivate you. And उसको तुम ultimately you can convert it into full-time career. Just think, why do you want to do it? In 2014, I wanted to do YouTube because other people were doing it. But I wanted to do CA because इससे मुझे कुछ आमदनी होगी. So that was a bigger motivating factor for me to do CA than to do YouTube. Right? अभी भी मेरे हाथ में दोनों चीज़ें हैं. I want to focus on my career whereas I want to focus on YouTube as well. Why do I want to do both together is YouTube से मेरी कुछ चीज़ें अच्छी होंगी जैसे मेरा communication skills, मेरा presentation skills, the way I do storytelling. And I always wanted to become actor as well. So मेरे को वो भी एक वो एक सपना भी पूरा हो जाएगा through YouTube. And I want to focus on my career as well because this gives me the livelihood. So the question still remains unanswered as to is it a good decision to start YouTube in 2025? In my opinion, the answer is yes. It will be a good decision to start YouTube in 2025. Why? जब 2014 में YouTube आया था, YouTube ग्रो होना चालू हुआ था, तभी भी लोगों को ऐसा लगता था कि YouTube पे क्या वीडियोस बना रहे हैं लोग. But those who were consistent since last 10 years has made money you can't even imagine. Right? And it is not just about money. You also see their personalities. Many of the YouTubers have converted their YouTube into a full-grown startup. So people who always wanted to do startup has got that opportunity because of YouTube. So there are endless opportunities. There are endless opportunities anywhere. You just need to start. You never know where YouTube will go and where you will go in next 5 to 10 years. You just need to start. If you feel starting YouTube in 2025 would be a good decision for me to take me somewhere, I think it is a good decision. Unless you start, you won't know its potential. जब तक मैंने एक वीडियो नहीं डाला था तब तक मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये कितने व्यूज दे सकता है मुझे, इससे मुझे कितनी रीच मिल सकती है. The kind of comments that I've got on my YouTube video is amazing. So there is always an audience to watch you, to see you, provided you give them value through your videos. Value can be of any kind. It can be information, it can be entertainment, it can be anything. If you want to start today. Don't think. It's always about execution. It is never about planning. You can do planning in 1 day, but execution take 100 days. You'll have to be consistent year over year over year over year in order to grow whatever you do. So starting YouTube in 2025 would still be a good decision, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि जो लोग हैं जो YouTube पे वीडियोस देखते हैं वो कभी भी कम नहीं होने वाले. And I think the future of marketing would be community marketing, and YouTube is a community. So यहाँ पे money inflow कम नहीं होने वाला है if that is your goal. Please go for it if you are thinking, and if you have any other view, do let me know in comment section. And ऐसे ही videos देखने के लिए मुझे सब्सक्राइब कर लो. I'll keep putting motivating videos, informative videos, and how I grow in last 10 years. How did I become chartered accountant? I have worked for Big Fours. So how did I get those opportunities? The learnings that I have in last 10 years and things like that. And definitely one thing that I love doing is travel. So I'll definitely put my travel videos. So please subscribe. Do share these videos with someone who may need it. And like. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.